Although iNCommand supports the addition of multiple functions and triggers, this addition may require further modification and installation of other external components, wiring, and plumbing. Press the power button on the display commander to turn on the screen and enter the passcode. On the home screen, find and tap on the gear cog to access the menu. The menu lists all of the possible functions and triggers and allows for them to be enabled, disabled, renamed, and reordered. Functions, such as extending and retracting awnings and slides, have two available options: Yes for enabled and No for disabled. To enable a desired function, tap the icon next to its name until Yes appears. Triggers come in two forms: momentary and latch. A momentary trigger will activate only while being pressed, whereas a latch trigger will function as an on-off toggle switch. The appropriate trigger type will depend on the component being operated. Add a momentary trigger by tapping its icon until the word momentary appears. Likewise, add a latch trigger by tapping until the word latch appears. When finished, press the back or home button on the display commander to go to the home screen. When asked to save changes, tap OK to confirm. The changes made in the menu will now be reflected on the home screen.